Alright, everybody. I'm gonna. Sorry about the lighting. I'm about to install my carbon speedometer trim that I did a carbon skin to. Alright. So I went all over online trying to figure out how to remove this trim. I couldn't find anything online. Everything says you have to remove the whole dash. All this has to come out. So I just tried using this body panel removal tool, and what I did was I just wedged it in here, like on this end, and then once I wedged it in, I just tried to pull this up, and I pulled it like this way, like towards me. So then I lift it up and pull towards me, and I just keep working my way and keep trying pulling it towards this way. And then you can hear the clips coming out, and then just keep working it and I got it all out. See? So you don't have to remove the whole dash. Alright. Okay, I'll put this on now. Alright, just installed it.